Good morning, advisory. It seems like a lot of us are confused about attendance. I just did attendance for yesterday, and the only students that I can count here are Watishi, Anita, Dablé, Etaneda, Glermu, Ahmed, and Hey Blue. If I didn't say your name, you are considered absent, and I need to show you why. So I made a big sign right here. It says check in here. You need to go here every day before you do anything. And in our materials folder, you see there's a different folder for each day. Many of you aren't opening those. I have to mark you absent if you don't do the activity. Okay? So today is Thursday, April 9th. Today you're going to find a real quick question. How has your first week gone? That's it. And you just have to click and answer. But if you don't do that, I have to mark you absent. I don't want to mark you absent, especially if I know you've been turning in work for other classes. So please, please, please do your job. Make sure that you are going to the Daily Connect page and make sure that you are marking that you're here. Okay? For today, I'm going to be checking the attendance tomorrow. And for yesterday, I will fix the attendance if you go into Wednesday's activity and you do it. Or if you go into Wednesday's activity and you do it right now. But you have to do this, guys. If you don't, you get marked absent and then they call your house. And they say they're not present for school, which is kind of silly, but that's the only way we can keep track. So please, please, please do this, okay? Thank you. If you have any questions, let me know.